The name. Name. Name.
Beautiful. So beautiful. Wow.
Yes. Name. Our TV with the country. Honey, baby, the country. Baby, the country. Baby, the.
Did you hear that, Baba? Huh? Someone's gonna give you Marian Bicolana.
Opo.
Marian Bicolana.
No.
Picture mo na lang.
Picture? Sige. Ma'am.
Ready?
Ay,
Thank you po. Sige, bye. Wait, mo na. 1, 2, 3, go. Bye-bye. 1, 2, 3, smile. Maputi pa sa inyo nakatingin.
Ano po? There. Sa loob ng bag niya po nilagay. I cannot. This is Mommy's phone. Yeah. In Mommy's pocket, I'll keep. I cannot. This is my phone. Oh. You have your phone? I'm gonna turn off, but I'll put in my pocket. Okay po? Because you have yours. Jasas. Alam mo po, dala pong cellphone ni Jasa. Yung isa ko pong cellphone, tapos yung cellphone niya. It's in her bag. Alam niyo guys, nagsimba si Jasa na, tonight. Ngayon nga. Nag-ano po siya, nag-pray, nag-mass, tapos po nag-picture. Praise daw, hinag na daw. Hindi naman, hindi po siya nakalapit sa hug. Dance stage daw, sabi niya. Robinson. Kung saan nagmas kanina? Okay? Robinson. Mama Mary in heaven. Ano off? Ay, this is Mommy's phone. In Mommy's bag. I'll put in my pocket. Very good girl. Off na natin. Goodbye na, Baba. Say goodbye. Opo. Ha? Bibigay na po yung phone ko kay Mama Mary. Where's Mama Mary? Wait, where's Mama Mary? Okay. Okay, Mommy will off, but I need you to sweep the floor. Right now. Sweep the floor, and next I'm gonna turn off the light. Come on, sweep the floor muna tayo. Where's the broom? And then the dust. Mag-off na tayo sila. Ayan. It's not here. Wala si broom. Nasaan si broom? Tsaka si dustpan. Pwede naman natin kung tama-off na tayo ng light. Ayan na, there na. It's Jaz's duty. Duty ni Jazz ngayon na dami-dumi namin ng floor. Sige na. Kaya mag-off na tayo.
Joan
already, finish na si Joan mag-broom. Si Joan. Mag-off na tayo ng kasi Joan, sabihan mo daw si Ate Jazz na mag-sweep na ng floor. Okay. Joan said, Ate Jessa, sweep the floor. It's your turn.
No.
Go na.
Dipo, ma'am. Dipo.
Go.
Imelda. Imelda. Abu Epeya. Imelda.
There, you remember Joanne? You're so happy there, laughing. Keep saying Joanne. Who else do you want to see? What do you wanna get? What do you wanna get, ma? What are you thinking now? Right now, what are you thinking?
Oh. What are you thinking? What are you thinking now? Huh? What now? Huh? What do you wanna give? Which one? Which one? Lia daw, she wants to give the... Anong tap? Anong tap? Wala na. Tab. Walang tab dyan ah. Which one? You wanna give Lia? Which one? Get it daw, baba. Go get it, baba. Go get it. Which one you're talking about? Sige daw. Go. Get it or point it to mommy. Come on, let's move. Which one? Going to give to Lia? Which one? No. You're pointing something. Can you point it to mommy? You said you want to give to Lia. Na? Ano po? Say only mommy. You're pointing something. Which one you're pointing there? And you said you want to give it to Lia. Can you go closer and point it again? I'll sit. I know. Are you okay? Okay, I'll sit. Are you okay? Then when you get ready, let's go upstairs and let's take a bath. All right? Yes? What are you thinking now? Huh? What are you thinking? What are you thinking, Baba? You're thinking something? Huh? Ochi? Love you. I love you so much. I love you. Baba, look at me. Love you. Just can say I love you, mommy too. Can you say I love you too, mommy? Just can you say I love you? 1, 2, 3. Say I love you. No, it's fine.
Mom? Why to do?
Where? Mommy too?
Today?
Okay. Let's take a look now.
Tìm đế, mom, tìm đế.
Okay.
Run đế. Tìm đế. Tìm bác, tìm mom, tìm me, bác.
Take a what?
Do you want tìm me, bác, tìm me?
Gusto nito ibigay yung bag kay Teacher May. Yung bag niya mismo bibigay niya kay Teacher May. Oo.
Tìm me, po.
On Monday. Ano po kasi there's no school. Ano po? On Monday bibigay niya sa kay Teacher. Na?
Ba.
Take a bath daw.
Tìm me, ba.
Ah?
Tìm me, ba.
Teacher May, Jasa said, I want to give back to Teacher May. That's what you want to say. That's what you mean, Baba? You want to give back. Itong bag na to. Yung bag daw, yung puno ng gamit, bibigyan niya kay Teacher May. Kay Teacher May.
Mom. Teacher me.
Yes, next daw kay Teacher.
Where?
Wow. Okay. You take a bath. Because next I'll give you the white wig. I'll show you the white wig. Do you want to see that white?
No.
You take a bath, so Mommy will give you the white. What do you do when it's night time? What do you do when it's night time, Jasa? You don't go out.
Ado.
Yeah, you better stay in the house.
Ado.
Because it's night time.
Ado.
There's so many dogs there. You're so afraid with the dog.
But the dog.
Babalik ko siya ng dog.
Wawa, ibi.
Wawa naman si Jasa. You better stay inside the house. Take a bath and stay in the room.
Bado, mom, no. Bado.
Babalik ko siya ng dog.
Wawa, ibi.
Are you afraid with the dog?
On the window.
Wait, are you afraid with the dog?
Window?
The dogs, Baba, only barking. They're asking food. Okay? Just be nice to the dog and the dog will be nice to you. They are friends if you are kind to them. Alright? Don't be afraid. You don't need to be afraid. Okay? Don't need to be afraid of. You don't. Okay, ba? Don't be afraid. Okay? Just be nice to the dog and the dog will be nice to you. Because they are also friends. Just like Levi said to you. Right? Yeah? Alright, Baba? Can you hear? Some bark outside?